Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top 5 best Galaxy Watch 5 cases 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Fans all across the world are lined up to pre-order the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 now that we've seen it in its entirety. It has better specs than its predecessors and is available in 2 versions, the standard Watch 5 and the Watch 5 Pro. While deciding which version of the new wearable technology to purchase is difficult, choose which accessory cases to purchase is all about personal style and desire. The primary function of cases is to protect the watch from drops or scratches while not concealing the true design of the watch. This is how I define how a case should be. I have prepared this video guide for the best Galaxy Watch 5 cases, so let's get started. 4. Caseology Vault. A simple, flexible design with a durable sandstone texture body provides a sleek sensation on your wrist as well as dependable protection. Detachment is quick and easy without removing your strap. Raised ring around the watch screen for added security. Military-grade protection is certified, and screen protectors are compatible. Vault of Caseology designed for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 case 44mm, 2022. Not compatible with the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic or the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. 3. Tensi face cover. This Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 4 44mm screen protector PC bumper will keep your watch safe from dust, filth, scrapes, and damage. Simple to install and remove, with precise holes allowing access to all controls and sensors. Firm and secure. The back snap feature prevents the watch from falling off. The anti-scratch tempered glass has a hardness rating of 9. The PC material that absorbs shock is harder, tougher, and more protective. Tempered glass with 99% transparency maintains the original touch sensitivity and display of your watch. There is no need to remove the case to charge, and all functionalities are easily accessible. 2. Rinky Air Sports. As lightweight as air, TPU is a lightweight and flexible material that protects your smartwatch from scratches and nicks caused by normal use without adding excessive bulk or effort. The durable thermoplastic polyurethane body protects against minor daily bumps and scrapes. The thin fit keeps your watch's natural width and dimensions without adding extra bulk. Exceptionally form-fitting, designed to perfectly wrap around your device in an even layer of long-lasting, non-bulky protection. With the naturally contouring features of the Rinky Air Sport wristwatch case, you can safely retain the watch's sleek appearance. Every time, the case will fit snugly on your smartphone, with no loose gaps or corners. 1. Spigen Ultra Hybrid. Made to show off the Galaxy Watch exactly as it is. Keep every curve and color of the Galaxy Watch and wear it as is. The Ultra Hybrid is developed in 2 sections to handle drops while maintaining screen clarity. Just be yourself. A hybrid design with a shock-absorbing bumper and a clear screen cover is used. Raised bezels around the screen provide additional screen protection. Fine cutouts provide easy access to all watch functionalities. So guys, this was the video about the best Galaxy Watch 5 cases. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.